So in this final restoration episode, we're going to be fixing the cam chain rattle, and we're going to do that by replacing the whole cam chain tensioner. It's an auto adjuster, and so there's a spring that wears out, and so we're just going to replace the whole thing, and that should fix it. Right now we're going to disassemble and get into the case.
So as you can see, I've got a bit of slack in my cam chain here. Yeah, we're gonna replace the cam chain tensioner and that should fix this right up. So let's get to it.
When you're disassembling and have lots of parts like this, make sure to label your parts. You will thank me later. When you're putting the pins through the cam chain tensioner and the cam chain guide, make sure you're using extra care. It's really easy to drop the little things, and there's cotter pins that go through there where you again want to be extra careful. We got the gasket off the valve cover. I just finished cleaning. I used degreaser and a wire brush to get all the gunk out and now prep it for painting. So stay tuned. Cheers. 3 quick notes to make sure your timing's correct. You want the in on the intake sprocket to be lined up with the edge of the case. And then on the exhaust side, you want the EX line on the exhaust sprocket to be lined up with the edge of the case. And then the final thing is you want your camshaft lobes, the end of it, to be in line with your RH.
And so, just as expected, I know it's hard to see, but the T here is lined up with my notch here. Okay, I've got the camshaft holders torqued down. I've got the cam chain tensioner locked and loaded, and you can already see my cam chain tension is exactly how it should be. There's no slack, so that's awesome to see. Just a visible inspection. We already know we fixed the problem, so I'm really hyped on that. Now I'm gonna torque down the sprocket bolts and just start buttoning this thing back up.
Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'm out of town, hence why I'm doing this voiceover and not filming something. But we got the cam chain tensioner replaced. The bike is running. It was running perfect. No more cam chain rattle, so I'm super hyped on that. Next week is going to be the full reveal of this finished 1984 Nighthawk restoration. I can't believe that we're finally finished with it. So stay tuned for next week. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll put the Cafe Brat video up above and the Nighthawk restoration playlist in case you missed any of the episodes. And lastly, if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.